In this video, you'll learn how to create an automated birthday campaign using Mailchimp. By the end of this guide, you will have set up a campaign that sends personalized birthday messages to your subscribers. First, navigate to the Mailchimp homepage, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard, which features various options for managing your campaigns. Next, locate and click on the Automations option in the left-hand menu. This section will display several automation options available to you, including customer journeys, which is essential for setting up your birthday campaign. After that, select the Build from Scratch button. This allows you to create a new automation journey tailored to your needs. A new screen will appear, prompting you to name your journey. Type in birthday in the designated field to label your campaign appropriately. Naming your journey helps you identify it later, among other automations. Once you have entered the name, proceed to the next step. Click on the Name Flow button. This action will prompt you to define the flow of your automated birthday campaign, allowing you to configure the triggers and actions that will occur. At this point, you will need to click on the Choose a Trigger option. This is where you will specify what event will initiate the birthday campaign. A list of available triggers will appear for your selection. Now, select the Date and Special Events trigger. This option is specifically designed for campaigns that rely on dates, such as birthdays. After making your selection, the system will guide you to the next configuration step. Click on the birthday option from the list of special events. This tells Mailchimp to initiate your campaign based on the subscribers' birthdays. The interface will update to show further configuration options. Next, click on the Days Before Date option, where you can set how many days in advance you want the birthday message to be sent. Keep in mind that the maximum setting is 90 days. Type in 1 inch to indicate that you want the birthday message to be sent 1 day before the subscriber's birthday. This setting allows for timely delivery of your birthday greetings. Once you've set this, click on the Save Trigger button. This action will save your trigger settings, allowing you to proceed with the next steps of your campaign setup. Now, you need to add an action to your journey. Click on the Send Email block and drag it to the center of your journey flow. This action establishes what will happen when the trigger condition is met. After placing the email block, click on the Close button to finalize your action setup. The interface will allow you to return to the main journey overview. Next, click on the Send SMS block and drag it into the center as well. This adds an additional layer to your campaign by allowing you to send SMS notifications alongside email. Finally, click on the Close button once more to complete your journey setup. Your automated birthday campaign is now configured and ready for activation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.